I'm the consequences of your actions.
Hello and welcome, everyone. We are once again at Six Flags Great Adventure. It is extremely windy here. Hence the hood, because it's windy, baby, and it's gusty.
I don't know which one I like more.
So we got into the park and I see new 50th merch and I'm so excited. Check it out. Look, I love this one. This might be the t-shirt that I get. Well, I'll probably get more than one through the season. You know how that works. Yeah, because I am crazy. I don't know which color I like best. I really do like this bright one. There's a brown one?
Yeah, right here.
I gotta pull it out. I can't get over there. Oh, that brown is pretty nice. Here, hold it up for me. Yeah, that brown is pretty nice. Okay, loving this logo. So just to clarify, they have it in this turquoise color, that bright blue. They've got it in navy. They've got it in like an army olive green, army green. And they have it in, this is sort of another, like a darker hunter green. And then this brown. And the price is $19.99. Not too bad. More new merch. So this one is $29.99. It is a 3/4 sleeve. It's got the rainbow logo that was for many years, a long time. And the shirt is very nice quality. It's very, very soft. So they have it in the yellow. They have it in a navy. Man, it looks so nice and vibrant, doesn't it? They have it in a red. I don't know if I'm a fan of the red. It's like a dark red. And then they have it in black, which also I don't think I'm a fan of. I think I like the yellow, the gold color, and the blue, and the navy. I think the navy could be my favorite. Very nice. And of course, they still have plenty of these sweatshirts with these two logos. And they still have a whole rack of these, which I am wearing one right now with that logo, the 50, the big 50. They do have these t-shirts. These are $19.99, which is that logo. Rachel has a new Squishmallow.
Her name's Carmelita.
Carmelita, can you show her us her face? She's very cute.
She's more.
I will be purchasing a t-shirt and a sweatshirt later. I'm going to be making a lot of purchases this season for the 50th, all this retro stuff and everything. I'm really hoping for a Rolling Thunder t-shirt. How awesome would that be? I think it might be a thing, but I don't know. When that store opens over here, that's going to be like the 50th store or whatever. I forget what they're calling it. I'm hoping for that. You guys, I think there's more bricks out. There's people looking down in a different area. And there's Wile E. Coyote. He always hangs out on Dream Street now. We gotta love that. All right, let's look at the bricks and see if we see anybody that we know. Okay, I found a very interesting and funny brick. Tyler, you're a riot.
Somebody's getting, I got it.
And I saw another one over here. Now, up CJ's Crazy Coaster Crew.
And here's yours.
Oh my gosh.
Here's yours.
Oh my gosh. Yes. You guys, Spencer's Ventures is here. There it is.
Spencer's Ventures here. Woo!
Holy cow. There it is, guys. All right.
We'll never be here forever.
And I see like a lot of, look, I love you, Mom. And then there was another one over here. Where'd it go? I don't know. I saw another one that said, I love you, Mom. So cute.
So you found ours, I found yours.
Yes. Same section as the Coaster Crew brick. That is so exciting. So let's look again. We got the Coaster Crew brick. And then over here, we've got our brick, Spencer's Ventures. Check it out. I haven't got my replica brick though. But once I do, I'll be sure to show it to you guys. So guys, remember in the last video, this timeline that I showed you? they've added to it. It looks like they finished it off, so let's check it out. Here you go. I'm going to do the same thing I did last time we left off. The last panel was 98.
No,
so we're going to
1999.
continue with 1999. So I'll do the same thing. I'll go down them. You can stop, pause it, read it, do whatever you need to do. And we're at 2002 here. Wow.
All the way to 2024.
Yeah, so just pause it and enlarge it in order to read it. And I may or may not go through this at some point a little slower, kind of take more of a tour of it. But I just want to get it filmed for right now. Oh, awesome! And now we're up to 2017. And here we go. Hey, bring back a bird show. That would be awesome. I know you have birds. So like I said, guys, just pause, enlarge so that you can read this if you're interested. But there you go, all the way up to present time. We're at Best of the West. I completely forgot to tell you guys that, but our food has arrived. Paul has gotten the All-American burger. They give you a lot of fries. The chicken fingers, of course. John got the Best of the West burger, which has pulled pork, cheese, and onion rings on it. Again, a ton of fries. And we both got a Moscow Mule, which tastes delicious. This is the size of it. And how much did we pay for two of these?
33.
Okay, and that included
It's
tip.
$16.99 per.
Thank you. I wasn't sure exactly.
Or $15.99, one or the other.
Yeah. All right. So in a little bit, you're going to tell us what you think of that burger. What do you think of the drink? Do you think it's good? I think it's really tasty. I like the ginger though.
It tastes like a seltzer lemonade.
Oh, see, to me, I'm tasting all the ginger. I like ginger. So to me, it's really, really good. Oh, did I say that I got the pulled pork sandwich? Tons of fries. They're giving a lot of fries. So, John, how was the Best of the West burger?
The burger was not so good, but the pulled pork was okay.
Would you get it again?
No.
I had the pulled pork, and I thought it was very good. There was a lot of it, like, falling out of the sandwich, and I thought it was very good. It definitely was very similar to what they had in years past, so I liked it. What was that?
It tasted more like a pulled pork paste.
It did, but you know what? It didn't bother me. Like, it was just, I don't know, I enjoyed the pulled pork. It was good.
I just think with the burger it was too much. I had it last week, same thing.
See, I think it was
Yeah.
the burger. It's a good combo, but the burger was a pocky pock,
Well, yeah, it almost always is.
pulled pork paste on top of it.
I had the barbecue chicken, it was good.
Check out this sign. This is new since the last time I filmed it, at least I think it is.
It is.
Yeah, so pretty cool. We're going to take a walk down this walkway because there's something new on the saw wall that we need to see. The saw wall. I like this pathway. And here we are at the saw wall. We have coasters. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat.
Only thing is, probably could have done without skyscraper. It just doesn't.
Yeah, right. It looks kind of funny.
It's kind of odd, yeah.
They took the cross off of the top of this wall too. I did see the walls for Saul still back here. So just for funsies, I'll lift you over the fence. So it's still there for right now. Hey Dash, is it too windy out here for you? Look at your little face. Yeah, you're just poking your head out to say hi, huh?
It's a shame you can't walk through it.
Yeah.
Because that was fun.
Where are you at? There you are. So we came back over just as they were bringing out fish to do some training and feeding, and oh my goodness. Oh.
I can't even. They're so cute.
Oh, this is awesome.
Look, she's training them. Oh, look how many like dogs. Here we come. Oh, slid right up. She said one. Oh, look. One more. Oh.
Oh, how cute.
They're so cute. Wow, look, it looks so nice. She said no more. He said wait. She said wait. She told him to wait. He's like, I'm gonna stay still. She's like, wait. He says, I'm gonna stay still. He got the signal.
They're just like dogs. Oh.
Yes, cheetah.
I cannot wait for the large room to open back up. And that's summer, spring.
Someone's in the leopard tank. Come see them.
How cute was that? They're so stinky cute. Now they're just swimming around in there. They're very cute. Heading over to Dark Knight now, hoping to get a ride on that, depending. Oh, the wind is blowing the fountain water right at me.
My hood flew off.
Yeah, it flew off, didn't it? Yeah, it is a very windy day here. Well, hello there, Mr. Squirrel. You hanging out in that can? Where are you going? You're leaving? Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't leave. Don't leave. Where are you going? Going for another can? Oh, you don't know what to do. There's people coming now. Uh-oh. Oh, scurry, scurry, scurry. There he goes. He's under that table now. It's like, what do I do, man? There's like a tree right there, dude. Look at him running. And I don't think you can see him anymore. Who else do you know that comes to a theme park and just chases around wildlife? I mean, not chases, but you know, gets distracted by squirrels.
Come on, that's okay.
That's me, right? Just me. I'm the only one that does that. I don't know, maybe not. So I dropped off Rachel at the arcade, and now I am with my guys at Dark Knight, and one of my other children is up there now. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. There's Dan's head right up there wearing the white shirt. Crazy hair. So that was probably completely unnecessary, but whatever. Gonna ride the Dark Knight for the first time this season. Unless there's another earthquake and they kick us off. I think I'll actually get to ride it this time though. That was a really good ride on Dark Knight. Hi, Rachel. That was a really, really good ride. It was smooth. Like, smoother than I've ever ridden it before. And there was more light on in there this time. So some lighting effects were working. And then they had like these spotlights that were just sort of like they would glow and turn off and glow. It was kind of cool. And you could see pretty much the whole track. I don't know, I liked it. I thought that was good. We're in the arcade now. Paul is playing Deal or No Deal. And he's won over 300 tickets on this game already. Yeah. He keeps hitting for 100, for 200, and yeah, like he's like kicking butt.
I was.
Yeah, this game's not so hot for you, is it?
Oh, that's not 75.
You still have 75, yeah. That's good, Paul.
Well, no, it's not because of that.
Well, Booger's having a really tough time. Now the highest case is 10 tickets. I think this is the worst position he's been in playing this game.
I don't care about
10 tickets. Oh no, the most you can get is 6 now.
what is 76?
Oh my goodness. And here's John playing Plinko, and he didn't get anything, I don't think. Oh, he got a bunch of tickets. 10? That's not terrible.
See, I don't understand how this works. I pushed it and it goes down here. I didn't realize you had to push it twice to get it through the thing.
Oh, they're like flappers.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, it says push down the drop chip. I did that and I watched it go down there.
Okay, so yeah, I see now. All right, you might have to play again.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm doing it. Okay, now I know how to play.
What's that, 20? Okay, I turned around to look at Paul here, and he still has the 200 on the board.
I'm doing it again.
And he's saying no deal to 34 tickets. Choose 3 cases, Paul. 50.
I never do deal. Remember this.
Yeah, he doesn't. He plays it all the way to the end.
And no reasons.
All right, Paul. All right.
How many tickets do you have now? Look at this stuff.
Yeah. Look at that stack of tickets. All right. What are you picking, Paul? 6 tickets. Okay. Okay. You got the lowest one out. 20 up. The 200 is still up there. Now, if it was me, I would take it, but it's up to Paulie.
Me.
He just hit the no deal, baby. Do you have the 200? No, you do not. You should not have done that. I just gave Rachel a few more tokens so she could do this wheel thing. It makes them happy, so she's going to get however many tickets out of this. 40! All right. Dang it.
Darn it.
All right, since I couldn't win that, now I got to come over here to this silly thing. I already won something out of this. It's a little giraffe. It's so cute. If I remember, I'll show you later. But here we go. All right, here we go. Here we go. What are we going to go for? What are we going to go for? Should we go over here? Should we just go right here?
Go for half.
Maybe that's good. We'll just do that. Up, I got 2 or 3 or however many that was. And it gives you another turn.
Go for capsule.
Actually, I'm kind of liking my chances right here. Up, I got the dog and the penguin. Look at that. Score. And here are the winnings. This is what I got. I got these 4 just now. So I got a penguin, a dolphin, a little tiger, a little puppy. I got this before. Actually, the one I got was red. I traded with Rachel for the orange. And then this little keychain thing that's in here is kind of weird. And I didn't win that. That was just something that I had 24 years ago.
I'm the consequences of your actions.
That spewed forth from my body, from my loins, almost 24 years ago. So this is a lot of fun. It's better than being outside in the wind, honestly. Although, like, we're spending like $40 in here. But whatever. I mean, it's fun. All right, I'm going to go check on the rest of the family. And then, oh, the sun. Who knows what we'll be doing. I'm standing by the door, and the door is like just the wind is just blowing. You can probably hear it. So, all right, I'm gonna wander around in here a little bit, see what the rest of the family is doing, and then who knows what we'll get into. So, Paul, how many tickets did you wind up with?
647.
I think it was 80 something. 680 something. You don't have to look. You don't have to look. So he's going to save that for another time. Of course he's looking. You don't have to look. I don't want you to lose the slip. But Dan is going to take Paul home because Dan wants to leave and Paul wants to go with him. And I think Dan has to get some sleep for work tonight. Anyway, but anyway, it was fabulous to see you, son.
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta try and wake up.
Thank you for making an appearance in the vlog today. Bye, safe driving. See you, Paulie. We'll see you at home. We are back outside. It is nice and sunny. Where are my sunglasses? Oh, they're in my bag. Now I gotta stop and get my sunglasses out because it's bright out here. It is bright out here, but it feels wonderful.
Yeah, it does.
Still windy, not super warm. I think we're gonna be in search of the chicken wings, maybe. Definitely funnel cake fries. You guys are definitely seeing funnel cake fries, unless for some reason they don't have them, which I can't imagine. So, all right, let's turn you around and show you the crowd. Literally, there's barely any crowd today. I don't really understand it. It's a Saturday. It's not raining. Super windy, but it's gorgeous out.
Well,
So
it's less windy now than it was earlier.
yeah. See? Crowd's not bad, guys. This is like really nice. Now you can't see it in the video, I don't think, but I can see the fountain, the top of the fountain blowing.
Oh, yeah.
So when we walk past it on that one side, we'll get sprayed a little like we did coming through. Rachel and I got sprayed a little. It's fun. I know I've said it before, but I really do like that they have made such great use out of this archway. They've been using it for like every festival and all that. And I think it's great. I love it. There is a ton of seating around this park too. It seems like every time we come, they've moved the benches around or something and sort of made more seating. Like there's definitely more seating on Dream Street, which is great. So I know I have not done a Flash update. Flash will be over there. I think the footers are almost done. When it starts going vertical, I'll do more consistent updates. So anyway, okay, let's go find chicken wings and funnel cake fries. Hot wings. Actually, not hot wings, just wings. Wings. Thank you so much. That's okay. Okay, more wildlife. Look at the geese. That looks like a mama and a daddy. Yeah. Look at them. Okay, because I started walking towards them, they turned around. But they were coming right through here. It's so cute. It's all right, babies. Yeah. Yeah, the babies. There they go, heading for the grass. Look at them. Funnel cake fries have been acquired. Some of the sugar blew up on me. I've already brushed it off. But yeah, it was very, very windy. Rachel got ice cream, which is actually starting to melt a tad because of the wind. So we're going to enjoy this. You're going to enjoy this, Rachel? Yeah. I'm going to go get... Oh, you have chocolate on your face. How did you get it all over? I'm going to go get some...
I was liking it.
All right, I'm going to go get some napkins. All right, we are done eating our funnel cake fries and Rachel having her ice cream. It's about 7:15. We are going to stop in the store up here because I need to get that 50th sweatshirt and that t-shirt. By the way, on a windy day, if you want to get misted, just come to the fountain. Look at how wet it is. I needed my honey to get the sweatshirt because I'm too short. So I'm getting this one, and it is what, 40 something? Oh, $39.99. I will get my 50% off on that. Love this design.
I'm getting bubble gum.
Yes, you are. Isn't that cute? We've decided that I should get the turquoise color.
Definitely.
So we're going to do a large on that. That's medium. 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 Come on now. We got to be at the larges at some point. Jeez Louise. Large. There we go.
Oh.
I love it. Okay. And this one is $19.99, which I will also get 50% off of. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm getting my 50th merch. Thank you, Six Flags. Well, that is all. We're back in the car, as we do. We left the park at 7:30. It's got to be closer to 8 now because we always 10 of because we always stand outside and talk to Ed for a while. So, you know, just as we do. So it was a fantastic day.
Two thumbs up.
It was not crowded. Yes, it was very windy. I did not have to go to delicate flower mode, so that's good. It was fun. You know, we did do some stuff in the arcade. We rode the Dark Knight for the first time this season, at least us. I mean, I know that Paul had ridden it. It was good. It was enjoyable.
Yeah, very smooth.
The Best of the West was good. I enjoyed it, at least. John gave his review earlier about that. Not super thrilled with the Best of the West burger. So I really think Johnny Rockets probably has a better burger. Like when you're looking for a burger, I think Johnny Rockets is the place to go. It was a really fun day. I mean, we made some purchases.
You didn't ride the Jolly Roger. We've been doing that almost at the regular. We didn't do that.
Yeah, we did not. But it was very windy today.
Yeah.
So, you know, I mean, we just sort of did our thing.
We
just did stuff. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. Sorry, I got very distracted. I just saw Nitro going over one of the hills.
And I was watching Wonder Woman.
It was really pretty. Anyway, so, yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. It was great hanging out with Ed today. Very fun, relaxing day, just chilling. So that is it for us tonight from the parking lot at Six Flags Great Adventure. We are Spencer's Ventures. We're going to see you in the next video, and we are out of here. Bye. Six Flags.